Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to delete a message for everyone in WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp and go to the chat where you sent the message. Tap and hold the message you want to delete. At the top, tap the trash can icon. Select Delete for everyone. And that's it. The message is deleted from both your and the recipient's chat. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.